Hello, friends and followers. Well, here's the old BC-654 Alpha World War II radio all apart, and I have it apart because of this. So I plugged a microphone into this thing, and it screwed up the microphone connector inside. So I had to take this thing apart, and I'll show you what I mean. So the way this is supposed to work, it looks like, is... And I don't have much light tonight, but anyway, if you look at that connector, you'll see that the tip is not used, and it looks to focus on the middle connector and the outer one. So it's unconventional. So here's a plug that I tried to use in the radio. And this is a knockoff .410 inch China plug, and it really screws up that connector bad. So if I plug that in there, it will, let's see if I can focus like this without a flashlight. Okay, so this is working. So that will bend up. This one here got all bent up. So you can see where it wants to touch that outer ring and that inner ring, and that's about it. It doesn't use the tip. And that's how the plug looks, like that. And if you plug in this plug, it's horrific. Do not plug in this plug. It will fit as far as diameter, but it will not work. So if you put that side by side, that's how it looks. You can see that this plug on the bottom has a deeper diameter, and that will really screw things up. So just don't use that plug. Use the old-fashioned World War II plug, which I'm sure has a name, a PL-68 plug. That's all you should put in here. So I had to open this thing back up and straighten the contacts back out from the microphone because it would not work at all. I was trying to get this old Russian mic to work, and it didn't have a mic cord, so I was using that mic plug, and it really screwed this thing up. So I'm wondering if I should bend that thing down a bit. It's not touching the ring or the tip, but I don't know. I'm trying to get a picture of this thing. It was bent way back. Maybe I've bent it too far forward. It does look a little too far forward, doesn't it? Just bend it a little bit down. There, that looks fine. Make sure it seats well. All right, I think that fixes the darn thing. Now I gotta put this back in the case and give it a try. So I've been trying to sell this radio on eBay, but I put so much work in this damn thing. And nobody really wants it, so I don't know. Maybe it's a keeper, but I spent so much time fixing this thing. And it's hard to fix because of the wiring and the parts and all that. It's not a very friendly radio to fix at all. And maybe the hardest part is the power conversion box, which is sitting over there. That thing is a real winner to fix. It actually has a vibrator in there, and there's the power conversion box I made for it. There's a speaker I fixed, and there's the power supply that I retrofitted to work on this thing for 500 volts. So, yep, it's a real bear. Well, put it back together and see if it works. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.